Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how to build an advanced icon cache cleaner. The icon cache is when you start your computer up and your icons look like a little piece of paper, and it takes a while for them to come back and be the icons they're supposed to be. That usually indicates a corrupt icon database. So let's get into it, and all the coding will be in the description. So let's get started here. So first thing we want to do is we want to open up our notepad, and like I said, this will be in the description. So we'll open up the batch code here, and you'll just copy it out of the description like I'm doing here, and you'll paste it in your notepad. Now you want to save this. You go to File and Save As, and you can name it anything you want. I'm going to name mine Rebuild Icons, and this is important. You got to save it as a file extension .bat, and I'm going to save it up here to the desktop so we can see it. So now let's open this up and run it. And as you can see that it's got its progress bar there. This is what makes this a little bit more advanced than other ones. It says close all applications. I do recommend you close all your applications, all your work before running this, because you could lose your work. Also, you can close all applications to anything you want inside the batch file. Just make sure you change every single line of it to say whatever you want. So once it hits 100%, we'll run it, and we'll press enter. And that's it. It's rebuilt the icon cache for me. So let's get into the coloring aspects of this. So let's go to the batch file itself, to rebuild icons batch file, and we'll click on edit. And if we look right here, we'll see the color is 1A. And I'm also going to put the colors in the description coding. So let's open up the color batch. So it's 1A. So let's say we want to have a black background with light red. So we would make this 0 and C, and so on and so forth for the colors that you want. And then we'll just go ahead and save this. And let's see if the color background has changed. And it has, and we don't need to run this again. I just have done that. So now let's take this a step further, and let's put it in another location so we can make a desktop icon for this and make it look a little bit more like a professional piece of software here. So we'll drag it into wherever you want. I'm going to drag it into my downloads, and once it's here, I'm going to send a shortcut out to the desktop. Once you have your shortcut out here, you click on it, go down to properties, and you want to go to change icon. Now it's going to say that there's no icons to be displayed for this particular batch file. You're just going to tell it OK. It's going to come up to a window here with some default icons that comes with the Windows operating itself. You can download for free any icons you want, toolboxes, gear icons, what have you. I went and downloaded some, so they're in my icons folder. So I like this little toolbox in here, if I can find it. There it is right here. I'll apply it, and OK. I even like to take this shortcut piece out, and I just take the name shortcut out of there. You can go ahead and move it anywhere you want on your desktop, and open it up, and there you go. There's your advanced icon database cleaner with progress bar. Thanks for watching and listening, YouTube. Have a great day and a good night.